Engineered for precision, this factory transforms raw ingredients into the iconic candy shells, a seamless blend of scale and technology. M&Ms look simple, but each candy is the result of a vast industrial system.
This factory produces millions of candies every hour. The journey begins with cocoa beans from tropical farms.
Every bean is inspected before processing.
Milk powder provides richness and consistency. Sugar is refined to ensure smooth texture. Peanuts are carefully selected for uniform centers. Roasting develops flavor and aroma.
Cocoa roasting unlocks chocolate flavor.
Beans transform into liquid chocolate.
Precise ratios define milk chocolate.
Texture is refined to microscopic smoothness.
Crunching develops flavor and mouthfeel. Milk chocolate centers take shape. Chocolate coats each peanut in layers.
Tempering ensures stability and shine. The hard shell is built layer by layer. Dozens of layers create the shell. Color defines each M&M.
Drying stabilizes the shell.
Polishing creates shine and protection.
Shell strength is verified.
Internal defects are detected instantly.
Safety checks protect consumers. Weight accuracy is constantly monitored.
Candies move toward packaging. Thousands of packs are filled every minute.
Each pack is sealed and coded.
Automation ensures speed and accuracy. Finished products are palletized. Products enter climate-controlled storage.
Automation maximizes efficiency. Orders are prepared for shipment.
Products leave the factory.
M&Ms travel worldwide. Distribution brings candy to stores.
Each candy completes a long journey.
Billions of M&Ms, one system.
Each color follows the same precision. Automation ensures consistency. Engineering defines every step. Scale meets precision. The process comes full circle. From factory to world. A global supply chain. A simple candy, precisely made. This is how M&Ms are made. Quality is monitored continuously, not just at the end. Every system operates in precise coordination. Energy and utilities power every step. Hygiene is built into the process.
The drone shipment is on schedule.
Good. Keep an eye on the power fluctuations over here.
Every batch is fully traceable. Logistics connects factory to market.
Few factories operate at this scale.
Precision defines every piece.
This is how M&Ms are made every day.